Alright, here it is again. It's Zach. And I'm really gonna kick the crap off on my brother. Watch this. Yo, Tommy! Guess what?
What?
Yeah, that's what I thought.
The camera up.
Yeah.
You can just shove it!
Oh, you want me to shove it? Yeah, kiss me!
You can kiss Jeff Hardy!
Kiss my ass!
Okay.
Got that? Alright, let's go back on. Let's go to the kitchen. A little thirsty.
Yeah, I couldn't believe it either. Sherry told me that.
Oh, look! It's Faygo! Awesome! What kind is this? Delicious raspberry blueberry.
I know.
That's awesome!
I know.
Now you guys can sit right here while I get a drink, okay?
No. She got a license, mother.
It's good.
I bet you it is too. Pick that up.
I said I had you to wait. Now, let's go get a look at what my dad's doing. Alright, Dad. Moving the computer around. Last year we got that nice computer. We got a nice printer too. Oh yeah, my animals! My cat and my dog. They're playing. Oh, look at my kitty. Oh, can't forget the cookie. Yeah, my dog don't like cameras. Let's go see what my mom is doing. Mom, where are you?
No. I know. Zach, get that out of here. Go.
Fine.
Go.
Okay, let's go this way. Into the kitchen. Oh, kitchen's this way. Let's go this way. Covered. Okay, now I do not want you to do this at home, okay? It's called Ding Dong Ditch, okay? You knock, and then you run. And then you run inside. Ready? Ready? I don't think you know how to say I don't know why he's not coming after me. Yeah, it's like this. Oh. Oh, he's just being a loser. Well, see you guys later. Bye.